Number 1. Disable startup programs. Why? Fewer programs at startup equals faster boot time and lower CPU/RAM usage in the background. Follow me. Right-click Taskbar. Open Task Manager. Go to Startup Apps tab. Disable unnecessary apps. Example: Spotify, OneDrive, Discord, Microsoft Edge, Steam, Xbox. Number 2. Set power plan to high performance. Why? Prevents your CPU/GPU from throttling performance to save energy. Go to Search. Type Choose a power plan. Click to open. Choose Ultimate Performance, if available. If not, follow me how to enable Ultimate Performance manually. Type Windows plus X on your keyboard. Click Windows PowerShell as admin. Click Yes. Copy this command in the description and paste here. Hit Enter. That's it. Go back to choose a power plan again. And select Ultimate Performance. Number 3. Disable visual effects. Why? Fancy animations use GPU/CPU resources. Turning them off gives more power to your games. Go to Search, type View Advanced System Settings, then click to open. Under Performance, click Settings. Choose Adjust for best performance. Optionally enable smooth edges of screen fonts if text looks bad. Click Apply and click OK. That's it. Number 4. Disable background apps. Why? Background apps can use up CPU, RAM, and battery unnecessarily. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed apps. Click 3 dot in your right side. On apps you don't need running, select Advanced Options. Under Background App Permissions, choose Never. That's it. Do this on other apps that you don't use. Number 5. Toggle game mode, test on versus off. Why? Game mode can help in some cases but hurt performance in others. Test which is better for your system. Go to Settings, Gaming, Game mode. Try both on and off, depending on your results in testing the game. Number 6. Disable Xbox Game Bar and background recording. Why? These features can lower FPS by running and recording in the background. Go to Settings, Gaming, Xbox Game Bar. Turn off this two options. Go back to Settings, Gaming, Captures. Turn off background recording, audio capture, and record what happened. That's it. Number 7, update your GPU drivers. Why? New drivers can dramatically improve game performance and fix bugs. For an AMD graphics card, right-click your mouse, click AMD Software, go to Settings and check for updates. Then set it to automatically check for updates. For an NVIDIA graphics card, open your NVIDIA software, log in, go to the drivers section, check for updates, download if available, install, choose Express installation, continue, and restart your computer after installation. Number 8, enable optimizations for windowed games. Why? Allows GPU to manage its memory better, reducing latency and improving FPS. Go to Settings. System. Display. Graphics. Turn on optimizations for windowed games and variable refresh rate. That's it. 9. Clean temporary files and remove bloatware. Why? Unnecessary files and apps waste disk space and reduce performance. Press Win plus R. Type clean MGR. Click OK. Select C drive. Check all boxes. Click OK. That's it. To remove pre-installed apps via PowerShell, open PowerShell as admin and type. Press Windows plus X. Click Windows PowerShell as admin. Copy this command in the description and paste here. Hit Enter. Just repeat it. Do the other two commands. That's it. Number 10. Disable virtualization-based security, VBS. Why? VBS can reduce gaming performance by 5 to 15% in some cases. Go to Search. Type Core Isolation and click to open. Turn off memory integrity. Restart later. Disable sysmain superfetch. Why? On SSDs, this service is mostly useless and can cause 100% disk usage spikes. Press Windows plus R. Type services.msc. OK. Find sysmain. Right-click. Properties. Set startup type to disabled. Click Stop. Apply. OK. That's it. Number 13. Turn off notifications, tips, and suggestions. Why? They slightly increase background CPU usage and are annoying during games. Go to Settings. System. Notifications. Turn off notifications. Scroll down, click Additional Settings. Uncheck all boxes. Done. Close Settings. Number 14. Registry, tweak, lower input lag, advanced users only. Do this only if comfortable editing registry. Press Windows plus R. Type regedit. Click OK. Yes. You can copy this navigator in the description and paste it up there and press Enter. Right-click Priority Control. Click New. Stored 32-bit. Write the name. Win32 Priority Separation. Right-click. Modify. Set value data 26 hexadecimal. Click OK. Done. Close Registry Editor. Number 15. Optimize system configuration. Messconfig. Why? Helps you free up system resources, improve boot times, and ensure your system runs more efficiently, all of which contribute to better performance while gaming. Go to Search. Type System Configuration. Click to open. General. Select Selective Startup. Uncheck Load Startup Items. Click Apply. Go to Boot. Click Advanced Options. Check Number of Processors. Change the number to the highest. Click OK and Apply. Check the box, No GUI Boot, and click Apply. Go to Services, check Hide all Microsoft services. This prevents disabling essential system services. Disable unnecessary third-party services like Adobe Update, Google Update, printer services. Don't disable GPU-related services like NVIDIA, AMD, Intel services. Click Apply and click OK. Done. Restart your PC.